world do you make sure that surface is actually clean? I'm going to show you. So you spray the surface and you wipe it down and you think, whew, I'm glad that thing is clean. But there's a pretty good chance it probably isn't, no matter what type of cleaner you're using. I'm going to show you exactly how to clean any surface in your home, especially tables, doorknobs, all that good stuff. You want to make sure those are super clean so we don't spread any germs. So I'm going to show you how to do that. But first, if you like this video, please do make sure you give it a thumbs up and check me out on Instagram at Creatively Bambi. No matter what you use to clean any surface of your home, I want you to follow these instructions. First, this is what I like to use. It's a environmentally friendly product. The ingredients that are used in there are not toxic in the least, and this is one of my favorite brands. I tend to lean in this direction for all of the cleaning products that I buy, whether it's hand washing or any other cleaning item. Even for my floors, I prefer to use vinegar and super hot water to clean my floors. Anyway, that being said, I do have a DIY bleach cleaner recipe that I can link below for you. A lot of people do like to use bleach, and there are certainly times when I use it as well. But for day to day, for the most part, I tend to lean towards products like this. So I want you to turn your product over and look at the directions for use. There's a pretty good chance you're going to see the proper instructions to how to properly disinfect a surface. And here this one says to disinfect, where is it? Spray until thoroughly wet and let stand for 10 minutes and wipe clean. Do you really do that? You have to do that. And even your bleach cleaner products are going to say that as well. So that is probably a game changer for most of you, because probably you just spray and wipe, which is not the way to disinfect at all, because you're not disinfecting. Are you wiping? Are you tidying up? Yes. Are you disinfecting? No, you're not. So let's get started. So here's what most of us are probably doing. You're spraying and you're wiping, right? And then you go on your merry way. Wrong. What you actually have to do is spray just like this, and you make sure it's good and covered. Not like you don't want to be able to swim in it, but you want to make sure that it's sprayed well and everything is covered with your product. And you also want to make sure that you have a clean rag. Full disclosure, this is brand new, because the one I had was so gross looking from stains. I do wash it regularly, but it was so gross from stains that I was like, I can't really record a video with that. So I just so happened, honestly, a couple of weeks ago, I bought a package of new dishcloths from Target. So I thought, ooh, I'll use that in my video. So you got a clean rag here. I like for mine to be damp because it seems to grasp the surface better when you wipe. I haven't heard anything about if using a dry cloth is or is not okay, but you always want to make sure you have a clean cloth, whether you call it a dish rag or a dishcloth or whatever you call it, wherever you're from, you know what I'm talking about. And you want to make sure that's clean so you're not adding germs back to your surface. But you want to make sure that this product or whatever product you use sits for 10 minutes before you wipe it again. And here we are 10 minutes later. I'm going to take my rag and I'm going to thoroughly wipe it down, the entire surface. And that is that. Now the surface is clean. You thought it was clean before? It wasn't, but now it is. That is how you clean a surface. I hope that helps you out, and now your surfaces will be cleaner than what you actually thought. If you like this video, please do make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and share with anyone you know who wants to clean their surfaces, which is probably pretty much everyone, right? And make sure you check me out on Instagram at Creatively Bambi. And also, if you want to make your own surface cleaner, I have a DIY bleach cleaner that you're probably going to want to check out. So I'll make sure I link that in the description box below for you. Thanks for checking in with me today. I'll see you next time. And look, I just noticed you can totally see my reflection in there. And thank goodness you really can't see it clearly, because right now I look a hot mess. I'm not going to lie.